Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you one more important topic in Vedic Maths, that is de-vinculum. So de-vinculum is just opposite to what vinculum is. That means here we are going to remove the bar from the number. So in vinculum, we will put the bar to make the number smaller. In de-vinculum, we are going to remove the bar from the number and we are going to make that number a normal number. It will not be a mixed number or a negative number anymore. That is the intention of de-vinculating a number. The steps in de-vinculum is similar to that of vinculum. Let us try solving a few examples so that de-vinculum topic will be very clear. For example, if I have a question like 34 and 3 4 bar, for example, if I have a question like this and I have to devinculate this number. To devinculate, something that you have to remember is D means you have to decrease. So in vinculum, we used to win one number. Here we are going to decrease one number. Devinculum is decrease one number. So 4 on 10, 4 on base 10 is 6. I have removed the vinculum now. Now decrease this number by 1. So if you decrease that number by 1, it will be 2. So how do we check if this answer is correct? It is very simple. 30. So this, if I expand, it is 30 minus 4, which is 26. So these two answers are right. That means the answer is correct. But instead of expanding and then getting the answer, here in de-vinculum, we are going to do it directly using the complement method. The procedure is the same as that of vinculum, but here we are going to decrease one number. The previous number will be decreased by 1. Let us solve a few more examples to understand it better. Let's try solving these sums. Let's devinculate this number. So 4 will remain as it is because there is no bar on 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. I've removed the bar. 9 minus 1 is 8. I've removed the bar. Decrease this number by 1, which will be 2. So my final answer will be 2884. Let's try solving this. This is little tricky because there's a 0 in between. We can do this two ways. So 10 minus 3 will be 7. We have removed the bracket. 0, I can keep it as it is. 2, I'll have to again minus from 10. 10 minus 2 will be 8. Then I'll have to decrease this number by 1 because I'm finishing with this devinculating. So I'll decrease it by 1 and 5. Remember, we did 3 and we did not decrease the previous number because it was 0. So we'll have to decrease this whole number 80 to 79. So my final answer to this question will be 5, 3, 7, 9, 7. Or we can also skip this step and do this directly. So how do we do that? 10 minus 3 is 7. We have to minus with 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Minus with 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now you have to decrease this number by 1, which will be 3 and 5. We can arrive at this answer also directly. This question, 10 minus 1 is 9. I have removed the vinculum. Now I'll have to subtract one number, but there's no vinculum here and here, so I can decrease this both number by 1, which will be 19. 4, I'll have to again subtract from 10 because I've ended here, which will be 6, and decrease by one number, which will be 2. 3, 1 bar, 0, 2 bar. 2 bar, I have to decrease it by 1, which will be 8. So 8, after that I have to decrease it by one number, but I have a bar. So what I can do is I can just take the 0 as it is. Now 1 on 10 will be 9, and then 3 you have to minus 1, which will be 2. But here I have not decreased yet. I have not decreased one number. So my final answer will be 2898. Likewise, the last sum, 6 on 10 will be 4. Decrease by one number, which will be 2. 7 on 10 will be 3. Decrease one number, which will be 3. If you have not yet watched how to vinculate a number, kindly do watch that video, which is in the description box below. And also watch this video twice to understand this concept properly. If you find this video helpful, please give me that like And also, if you are liking my videos, then do subscribe to my channel and support me. Hope this video was helpful. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Thank you.